If you're new to gardening, struggling for space, or just time poor, I've got a great way for you to green up your garden and kitchen. These little boutique garden grow kits come with everything you need to create your own miniature garden. So even if you weren't born with a green thumb, you'll be growing your own seeds from scratch in no time. I love the idea of picking fresh herbs from the windowsill. So I'm planting a selection of chives, basil and parsley, but you can get all sorts of different grow kits. So everything from herbs and veggies to gorgeous flowers. These all-in-one kits include a beautiful ceramic or metal growing container, seeds, soil and easy-to-follow instructions. So you've got everything you need to get growing. Some even come with little plant tags, which are super cute. Check out these nifty soil pallets. Just soak them in lukewarm water and in a matter of minutes you'll have enough soil to fill your container. Just fluff the soil up a bit with a table fork and it's ready to go. Now simply sow the seeds just by pressing them into the soil surface lightly and then covering them up with a little bit more soil. Then you can place your pot or container into a warm, well-lit spot in your home. The expanded soil pellets should contain enough moisture to support germination, so you shouldn't need to water again until the young seedlings are off and growing. If you put these boutique garden grow kits on your windowsill indoors, you can grow them at any time of the year. But don't just limit them to inside. They'll also love growing on your patio or balcony table. So you'll have fresh cooking ingredients and colourful flowers at your fingertips. They'd make a great living gift for a budding gardener, or keep them all to yourself and decorate the home with green goodness. Seed grow kits are also a great way to get the kids out there growing. Surely you remember making little sprouting grass heads as a kid. Well, check these out. They're little grass hair kits. They're super easy, cute, and kids can collect them all. What a great way to get the little ones off the couch and out into the garden.